Okay, so Bashir, today we will start lesson number 14 and it is about Wao Madda. In the last lesson, we have learned about Alif Madda, right?
Yes.
Yes, so do you remember the definition of Alif Madda?
I- yeah.
How many Madda letters?
Three.
Which one?
Alif, wow, and yeah.
Very good. Now we will read the definition of Wao Madda. The definition of Wao Madda is very easy. The definition of Vowel Madda is when Vav has sukoon on it, sukoon sign on it, and the letter before Vav comes with ḍammah. So that is called Vowel Madda. And now what we do, we just stretch it for 2 seconds. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, I repeat. When Vav has sukoon on it, that's mean when Vav saakin. Remember, I told you that whenever any letter comes with a sukoon on it, so then we will call that letter is sakin. For example, meme has sukoon sign, so we will call meme sakin. If jim has sukoon sign, we will call jim sakin. If ta has sukoon sign, we will call ta sakin, right? So same as it is, if wow has sukoon sign, so we will call wow sakin. So the definition will be when wow sakin comes after dhamma. So then we will call it Wao Madda, and now we stretch the previous letter for 2 seconds. Now, can you tell me what is the definition of Wao Madda?
Like, wow has to have that. What's that sound on top?
Sukoon.
Uh, Yeah.
Hmm?
On top.
Yes. Then,
Wow has to have sukoon on top.
and
That purple thing on top. The purple sign.
the previous letter comes with Dhamma.
Yeah.
So then what we call it?
Wao Madda.
Very good. And now what we do?
Lengthen the sign 2 seconds.
Excellent. Okay, let's read some examples. Or read from here.
Ooh,
No, no. Why you said wa? Is Wow has Fatha?
nah.
So why you said wa? We read wa if waw has fatha. So then we read wa, but there is no fatha on waw. Waw has sukoon. Remember, I told you if any letter has sukoon, so we connect or join that letter sound to the previous letter. That's it. We don't pronounce that letter. So read alif with dhamma, u, and then stretch it for 2 seconds because next u we have waw madda. So it will be oo.
Ooh,
Excellent. Next.
boo,
Very good. Next.
do,
Superb. Next.
su,
Next.
ju,
Okay, so now let us start the exercise. Read this word.
u,
The third letter is ta with kasra.
di,
Hmm.
ya,
Very good. Read again.
dia,
Next.
bu, ri, ha,
The last letter is kaf, right?
ya,
Read again.
bu, ri, ka,
Very good. Now read little bit faster like burika. Ra has kasra only. So read it within a 1 second like burika. Okay, make the differentiate between the madda letter and the normal letter. So then the listener can easily identify that you stretched ba and you not stretch ra and kaf, right? So read here like burika.
burika.
Hmm. Oh, okay. Bashir, inshallah ta'ala, we will continue again from here in our next class, okay?
Okay.
Take care, Allah Hafiz.
Elafis.